Hello, this is Jan Hermstad with Buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. Today we're going to look at a 2003 low mileage, extreme low mileage. It's only about 10,000 miles. Convertible is black with light oak interior. Please read the description in our write-up on our website so we don't miss any details. The guy that does this does a good job researching before we put the cars out. It's a clean Carfax and just over 10,000 miles. As you can see, it runs and it drives great. The car is beautiful. I haven't seen any marks or detriments to this beautiful 03 convertible. C5 is probably the most popular all-around Corvette there is. It seems like we sell more of those than anything. Beautiful, clean, timeless, beautiful 5-star chrome wheels. And maybe we'll get to hear the exhaust here. Didn't hear it in that clip. It's got Michelin Pilot Super Sport, average of 930 seconds, no 90% left of tires. Beautiful interior, aftermarket stereo, and it's got a backup camera as well. You can see the leather seats are in excellent shape. Both sides. Beautiful car. This car is ready to go. Shiny paint. Clean wheels. Near new tires. And it drives great. Come and see me at Buyavette.net. Call me or email me, Jan Hermstad. My cell phone direct is 404-993-5964. And thank you for looking.